Hey everyone! Welcome to this beginner's guide to cloud computing. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest technologies out there, cloud computing. Don't worry if you don't know much about it yet. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, how it works, and how you can start using it today. And if you're excited to learn more tech tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's get started. Advantages. 1. Simplicity. Cloud computing makes it easy to access and manage files without complex setups. 2. Instant access. You'll be able to access what you need anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. 3. Cost-effective. Many cloud services are free or low cost, reducing the need for physical storage devices. What is cloud computing? Alright, let's start with the basics. What is cloud computing? Imagine you have a magic backpack. You can put your things inside, and no matter where you are, you can reach in and pull out what you need. That's kind of like the cloud. In reality, cloud computing is a way to store and access files and programs on the internet, instead of keeping everything on your computer's hard drive. This way, you can access your files anytime, anywhere. Storage efficiency frees up space on your computer or device by moving files online. Portability. Access your files from any device with internet, whether you're at home, school, or traveling. Reliable backup keeps files safe from accidental loss, even if your device is damaged or lost. So, why do people use cloud computing? There are a few reasons. First, it's super convenient. Think of it like having all your photos, documents, and music saved online. You don't need to carry a USB drive or worry about losing your files if your computer breaks. Also, cloud computing makes it easy to share things. You can work on a project with friends, even if they're across the world. And it's usually pretty safe. Cloud companies protect your data with high-level security, so you don't have to worry about losing it. Convenience. No need for physical storage devices, everything is stored safely online. Collaboration. Work on projects together with others, even if you're not in the same place. Security. Cloud providers offer encryption and secure storage to protect your files from being lost or accessed by others. Let's check out some examples you might already be using. Have you used Google Drive, Dropbox, or Apple iCloud to save photos or files? That's cloud storage. Or maybe you've watched movies on Netflix or listened to music on Spotify. That's cloud streaming. Even if you didn't know it, you've probably been using the cloud all along. Pretty cool, right? Easy file storage. Cloud storage lets you save and organize files online. Instant entertainment access. Stream movies and music on demand without taking up space on your device. Accessible anywhere. Access files, movies, and music from any device with internet access. Now, cloud computing comes in a few types, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. First, there's SaaS, or software as a service. This is when you use software directly on the cloud, like Google Docs or Microsoft Office 365, without installing it on your computer. Then, there's PaaS, or Platform as a Service, where developers use tools on the cloud to build apps. Finally, there's IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service, which gives businesses access to servers and networks without needing their own physical hardware. So, cloud services aren't just for storing files, they help companies create, run, and grow, too. Flexible access. SaaS allows you to use the software on any device, with no installations needed. Developer tools. PaaS offers a ready-made environment for developers to create apps quickly. Efficient business growth. IaaS provides companies with scalable resources without big upfront investments. Okay, let's get a little hands-on. I'll show you how to save a file on Google Drive, which is a popular cloud storage option. First, go to Google Drive and log in. Click on the New button to create a new folder. You can name it anything you want, like in My First Cloud folder. Now, let's add a file. Click Upload and choose something from your computer. And just like that, you've saved a file in the cloud. Now you can access it from any device just by logging into Google Drive. Organized file storage. Cloud platforms let you keep files in folders, just like on a computer. Remote access. Access files from any location or device without having to transfer them. Simple backup. Files are safe in case anything happens to your original device. So, why might you use cloud computing? For one, it frees up space on your devices. Instead of saving all your photos and files on your phone or computer, you can move them to the cloud and save space. Plus, cloud services often let you access things faster and keep everything organized. Also, if your device breaks, your files are safe in the cloud, no worries about losing anything. More device space. Moving files to the cloud keeps your device from running out of storage. Better organization. Keep files, photos, and documents neat and organized online. Peace of mind. Your files are safely stored, even if your device is damaged or lost. Security is super important in the cloud. Most cloud companies protect your files with passwords, encryption, and other security tools. You can keep things safe, too, by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication, which is just a fancy way of saying an extra security check to make sure it's really you logging in. Remember, the cloud is a safe place for your files, but it's always smart to take steps to protect your information. Enhanced protection. Encryption keeps your files private. Control over data. You can manage who has access to your files and folders. Two-step security. Two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of safety. One cool feature of cloud storage is how easy it is to share files. In Google Drive, for example, you just click on a file, choose to share, and enter the email of the person you want to share it with. They can open it and make changes, all in real time. This is great for group projects, or if you want to work on something with friends or family without needing to be in the same room. Real-time collaboration. Work with others on documents in real time. Easy file sharing. Send files without needing email attachments or USB drives. Remote teamwork. Collaborate from anywhere, no matter where your team is located. Alright, that's our beginner's guide to cloud computing. Now you know that the cloud is like a digital storage space that you can access anytime, anywhere. You learned about different types of cloud services, tried a hands-on example, and got tips on keeping your files safe. Cloud computing is growing fast, and knowing how it works puts you one step ahead. If you liked this video and want more tech tips for beginners, hit our @MakeFirstMove channel subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.